The Ultimate Series represents the top of the line of our fleet, then our Pro Series represents the best value in terms of machine performance and the cost. Still incredibly powerful machines, they offer a wide range of functionalities from your classic production/turnout tampers and regulators to your all-rounder tampers, regulators and stabilisers.
If you've got a combination of requirements such as turnout or plain line tamping, you need an all-rounder machine. At the end of the day, clients know machines in the Pro Series will be excellent and reliable machines that operate efficiently without breaking the bank.
Also customised with Brimble's HMI technology, they too offer greater control and efficiency than similar machines on the Australian market.